Sick of fighting dandruff without results? Me too. Until now, when I found this two-step regime from Sebamed. Step 1. Sebamed Anti-Dandruff Shampoo. Step 2. Sebamed Hair Repair Conditioner. Let's start with step 1. Sebamed, the pioneers of pH 5.5. Why pH matters for dandruff? When the pH of your scalp is maintained at pH 5.5, dandruff recurrence is prevented. And this shampoo is clinically proven to ensure 50% less dandruff in 2 weeks. So, you get confirmed results. And look at this shine. Step 2. Sebamed Hair Repair Conditioner. And for the grand finale, the perfect pair. This conditioner has pH 5.5 benefits and has silk protein and hydrolyzed wheat formula that deeply hydrates hair. This conditioner is a game changer. From dandruff to dazzling, that's the Sebamed magic. So are you ready to switch? Your hair will thank you. And here is an amazing offer. You can check out Sebamed Anti-Dandruff Regime Duo Pack on Nykaa. Apply my code SEBAHAIR15 to get a 15% discount.